Hey guys, wanna know how to download Splice video editor on your mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, simply open up your Play Store and head towards this search bar right here. Now click on the search bar up top and then search up for Splice. And right here, as you can see, the Splice video editor is showing. Now just simply press install, or you can just click on it for more info. The choice is yours. Now once you've clicked install, the Splice video editor will start downloading and installing, so wait for a while. Now once the installation is done, just simply open it by clicking open right here. And there you have it. Now your Splice has been successfully installed to your phone, and now you can create an account, log in, or use it as you like. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.